Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Xbox app and connecting the headset or controller you'll use. Once done, make the Xbox app and the target game active so Windows registers them as audio sources. Next, open the Windows volume mixer or press Windows plus G to bring up the game bar. These are the only places that let you change the Xbox app's output level directly. Make sure the chosen playback device matches what you connected. Now adjust the Xbox app volume using the Windows volume mixer or the game bar audio widget. Open the mixer, find the Xbox app or the running game process, then move that slider up or down to change only the app's loudness. This controls game and app audio independently of system sounds. Once set, test by playing audio or speaking in chat. Observe levels in the game bar meter. If you need chat/game balance, adjust the chat-specific. Finish by verifying the new level while the app or game is producing sound. Make small tweaks until it's comfortable. If the Xbox app entry doesn't appear in the mixer or game bar, make sure the app is producing audio, update the Xbox app, and set your headset as the default device. If that fails, restart the Windows audio service or reinstall the app. Troubleshooting tip. Missing sliders usually mean the app isn't sending audio or Windows hasn't selected the correct output device. Fixing that restores control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.